So you wanna learn how to do amazing video tutorials? You're in the right place, because today I'm gonna share all my secrets, step by step, how you can make the best tutorial video on YouTube. I promise you. This is the worst thing that the person can do to me. So if you don't know me yet, welcome to my channel. My name is Little Boy. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm not gonna disappoint you. If you watch this video to the end, you're gonna learn every single thing that I know. No secrets. And I wanna give a huge shout out for my subscribers, because I have an amazing response and I love your comments on my past videos. So thank you very much. I love you all. The first thing that I like to do is find a perfect topic. I want to make sure that I help someone, that I'm gonna solve a problem, that I'm gonna fix something. I don't want to just do just because. I try to listen to my friends or for people around me if they have any problems or any issues that I could help them, as well with my subscribers, because a lot of my ideas I get from your comments. So thank you very much for that. I try to listen to that and I try to create a solution with a video. I research a lot and I try to find something that I like, that I enjoy, that I have fun doing, because it does take a lot of time. Okay, I'm not gonna say that's quick, sometimes hours, days or weeks. And if you can mix what you like with what people need, that's the perfect match. So after I find a nice topic that I can help someone, I research more and I watch a lot of videos. I try to see what people are doing, what they are not doing, what they are doing good, what they could improve. How long is the video? Because I don't like watching 15-30 minutes video which I just needed to watch 30 seconds. Why? People sometimes start talking about random things, random stuff, and they don't go straight into the point. For me, what works is short stuff. Even people like, Little, your video is too short. I don't care. I just care to get into the point, resolve the problem as soon as possible, as quick as I can, with as much information as I can, because we don't have time for that. That's what I try to do. Another thing that I always try to keep in mind for a nice quality tutorial is I like very simplistic words. I like simplistic things. So I try to cut all this difficult stuff and I try to bring in a very simplistic way. And during this whole process, when I research, watch, learn, I do take a lot of notes. Okay, I need to stop to say okay. Very, very important. Take notes, write it down, what works and what doesn't work. I prefer to write it down in my book because I have the physical connection of it. It's not just laying on my phone, it's quick to type, I don't even know what I'm doing. If I write, if I feel it, if it's a material thing, I write it, I read it, and I'm practicing already what I'm gonna say. So when I get into the camera process, it's already in my head. Tip for you: try to make one very, just like put everything that you have, just like a brainstorm, in one paper, and then after that you read everything, take all the best of this and write it again in a clean paper, because when you start it again fresh and you can see everything beautiful and clean and in order of the video, it's gonna help you a lot in the editing process. After I have my beautiful piece of paper with all my ideas organized in order, I set up my space. If you'd like to see how is my space, how is my desk set up, I'm gonna link up there and you can watch that later. After I have everything set, it's time to talk to the camera. And if you need some help, I have an amazing video that I put together to teach you how to talk into the camera. If you want to learn from that video, I'm gonna link here on the side as well. I know it's a lot of videos, but I promise you, you're gonna learn so much. When I'm talking to the camera, I need to make sure that I have a nice mic, especially for tutorials. Okay guys, you want to make sure that you are able to understand what the person, what the teacher, what the mentor are saying. Bad b-rolls, bad footage, it's fine, but if you have a bad audio, the tutorial is bad. And make sure that you're in a quiet space. It's very annoying when you try to learn something and the person that's teaching, there is a sound, there is a noise, there is something going on in the back, and it's just pure distraction. Avoid as much distractions as you can. Just a clean, beautiful, amazing sound. period. And when I do my videos, one thing that I always do, that I always start, is with my A-roll. A-roll is the base of my video, of my tutorial. It's my talking head points, like I'm doing this right now. I'm talking to you, so needs to be strong, needs to be nice, and needs to be with high quality. The last but not least, the most important process for your tutorials is the editing. After I finish to record this part over here, I bring it on computer, I edit everything, and when you edit, I highly recommend to start one process and finish the whole thing. A-roll, cut until it's done. I see what I need to create B-roll, and then I'm ready to bring to the next level, which some people are visual learners like me. I like to see how they are doing. I go back, I shoot every single part, so I don't need to shoot extra things. I already know what I need to shoot. I go back to the editor, add all the illustration, all the footage, and bada bing bada boom. Adding sound effects, screen records, graphics, illustrations, everything that I can to make very dynamic tutorials, videos, vlogs. Everything. Show is better than tell. I promise you, people will see that. It's gonna bring your video to the next level. Another thing that you can use to achieve an amazing tutorial, for me personally, is showing your face. Especially in the beginning, if I'm watching a tutorial and I don't see any human presence, I'm gonna be like, if you're shy, it's fine, but if you can add your face, your voice, and all these things together, it's a plus. Definitely build trust for your audience. After you finish the whole cutting process, you can add some musics. And then when you add the sounds, the music, and the stuff, it's gonna bring more life into the tutorial. Make sure that the music is not too loud, otherwise it doesn't make sense for you to have a high quality sound for people to understand you. But then in the post-production process, you add a music that's louder than what you're speaking. I don't keep louder than -19. And then you can keep repeating this process with every single topic that I said. Add all the text, boom. Add sound effects in the whole thing. Add the graphics, add all the B-rolls, and that's the same thing over and over and over again, what I do with my tutorials. And here we go, an extra tip for you. Thank you very much for watching this video this far. If you're enjoying, if you're learning something, make sure to leave your comment down below. I would like to know what part is your favorite and what are you gonna take from this video. Last tip for you, if you wanna do a tutorial like me, I always try to keep my head on the corner of the screen. And I'm gonna show you how you can do that right now. So we're gonna go to the effects tab and we're gonna look for masking effect. When you see the masking settings over here, you're gonna be able to adjust the circle or square, the intensity, and all this good stuff. Double click, transform, and bring it to any position of the screen that you want. If you wanna copy that setting that you apply in the first take and apply it to the next ones without having to do the same process again, press in the clip that you apply the effect, Command C, select the other ones that you wanna apply the same effect, and Shift Command V and apply effect. This way saves you a lot of time. You can apply in every single video that you want. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Thank you for your support, and for my subscribers, you are the best. We are growing and we are improving together here in this community on my YouTube. I would love to hear from you. Leave your comment or question down below. I'm here to help you and to support you, and be ready because there is a lot more videos just like this one. Thank you very much. I see you in the next one.